Just like that. Actually really dope. What's going on, family? Welcome back to Godriven TV with your boy, LaShawn Taylor. Yo, if you're new here, I appreciate you for stopping by. Yo, you're gonna wanna stay a while because I'm teaching people all over how to do dope things with their Cricut. So today I got a special one for you guys. As always, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to use Armour etching cream to etch out a glass jar. And we're gonna go ahead and get straight into this video right now. Alright, so here's a list of everything I'll be using for this video. Starting off with my glass jar. This joint was about $10, I want to say, at Hobby Lobby. Definitely something doable. Go ahead and pick you up a glass jar. I'm using Paper Studios removable vinyl. I got 405 basic standard transfer tape. Of course, y'all already know I got Armour Etch. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is where the magic takes place. I got this actually at Hobby Lobby for $9. Can't beat that either. And of course, I got my paintbrush. This is what we'll be using to apply the Armour Etch. Now I'm gonna go ahead and transition over to our laptop. We gonna get this thing cut out. First things first, I'm pulling up my Cricut design space. I already have my design up. So this is the sizing that we'll be using on our glass jar, right? And before we go ahead and get this placed, I seen a dope idea from a dope Cricut content creator. I believe her name is Kayla. And what she did was she grabbed a square from the shapes. We'll go ahead and send this to the back. So you'll hit arrange and send to back. And in doing so, what she did was made sure she put a square behind her design. Let me hit the unlock button as well. A square behind her design. It just allows it to be a little easier to cut the design out. And I thought it would be dope, so I added it to my video. You know, shout out to Kayla as well. This is our design right here. We're gonna go ahead and highlight this whole thing, and then we'll come over here and hit attach. So that way it cuts out both the square and the design that we need. All right, so we'll come over here and hit make it. Boom, and it looks good on our mat. We're leaving it just like this. You do not want to hit the mirror because we're using regular removable vinyl. So I'll come down here and hit continue. And with this removable vinyl, I'm just going to go ahead and use the material premium vinyl. That will transfer over to our mat. All right, boom. Taking my removable vinyl. I'm placing it at the edge of my Cricut mat. Just like that. And now I'm gonna cut off the excess vinyl that I do not need. I'm gonna come over 6 inches, grabbing my X-Acto knife and just cutting down. Just like that. And removing that vinyl. Now we'll get this placed inside our Cricut. Come in here, placing it in there, hitting the blinking arrow. And when this Cricut symbol pops up, hitting that and getting our cut out. Alright, boom. So we got our design cut out. I'm just taking my ruler and X-Acto knife again, and I'm going to cut off the excess vinyl. Remove that. Now I'm going to go ahead and weed out the parts of the design that I do not need. So what I'm doing is, with this removable vinyl, instead of taking out like the box, I will be just removing the words and the letters. Boom. So this is our design. If you're wondering why the vinyl changed, just know that yeah, we had to make something shake because that black vinyl was not working out for us. But anyway, next we're gonna go ahead and apply our transfer tape. And the way we're gonna do it is just peel it back at one of the edges and then apply that edge to one corner of our design. And then we'll peel the backing off, going all the way across, just like that. Boom, we in the game. And then we'll go ahead and peel our transfer tape up and make sure everything gets on, just like that. Here's what our design is looking like on a transfer tape. Now moving right along to our cookie jar. So I got my cookie jar. Now what we're gonna go ahead and do is place our transfer tape on here. I went ahead and washed this cookie jar. If you would like, you can use some type of alcohol and clean it that way. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and place this down, place it in the middle. And I'm just making sure that our vinyl makes its way all the way on the jar. Alright, now I'm going to go at an edge and peel up our transfer tape. Just like that. Now we're going to go ahead and grab our Armour Etch, grab our paintbrush, and we're just going to go ahead and start applying the Armour Etch to our jar. I don't know why that joint just went flying off like that, but thank God that that joint didn't break. Anyway, here is our design with the Armour Etch. Now what we're gonna go ahead and do is wait about 15 minutes, and then we'll come back and peel this up and see our final result. Alright fam, so we're getting ready to wash off the Armour Etch. Just gonna run water over it. Alright, and now to reveal our final design. Alright family, that concludes this video. I appreciate y'all for watching. For this being my very first time ever etching something out, you know, I'm pretty pleased with the results. You know, I think it came out pretty dope. I think it came out actually really dope. But yo, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so that you're notified when I drop new videos for you. And share this with your friends, your family, anybody who you know who's trying to get into this Cricut industry. Yo, and as always, keep applying pressure to life because life has no boundaries. Until next video, you already know we dropping bangers the rest of the year. We out.